Hi, if you want to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with somebody else, this is how you can do it. So I'm just going to go to my file explorer and I'm just going to find a random video. We'll do this one. So we just take it from our file explorer. You can just put this window to the side and then you come here, and right here right now I'm on folders. It's in Croatian, but the icons are the same. So I'm on folders, and this is just files. So folders and files. If you just go to files, you can simply drag the video inside of files. It's gonna give you a little notification in the bottom right that it's uploading. When it's done uploading, you should be able to, if you just refresh the site, you should be able to find that video right there, Perkos video. And then if you want to share it, there are these three dots. You click on the three dots and then sharing and then share. Now here is where you give permissions based on what you want to share and with whom you want to share it. So either you can type in the mail of the exact person you want to share it with, or you can come down here, click this little drop down, and it says everybody with a link. This is on Croatian, but yeah, it says everybody with a link can view this video. So if you just enable that, everybody with a link, it's gonna give you a little notification, and then you just click on copy link at the bottom left. When you click copy link, it's gonna be in your clipboard. Then you can go ahead, I'm just gonna paste it so you can see this is the actual link that you're pasting. And you're going to paste it in your WhatsApp, and you're going to send that link to somebody that you want to share the file with. That's all there is to it, and good luck.